Hello and welcome. My name is David. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Here, my channel is all about print on demand for you guys who are just joining me for the first time. I create this design so that you can make passive income from print on demand, making similar design using my design as inspiration for yours. Yes, this design, if you follow my channel and follow my weekly design series, close to daily, if you may ask. If you ask me, if you check my channel, I've made over 200 videos, so you have a lot of videos to go around, and I keep uploading at least 3 times a week. At least minimum is 3 a week. It can be 7, it can be more, but at least it's 3 a week. So I have a lot of inspirational design for you. You can pick as much as you want and watch, learn how to do them, and they are super easy. You don't have to be a pro in graphics design to make this design for yourself. Then you upload this design to a site like Redbubble, Public Match by Amazon. Upload as much design as possible, and in no time you start making passive income. Yes, you earn passive income from print on demand, just in case you don't know, but for you guys who know already, you know the way it goes. Yes, that's what it is. So I don't want to waste your time. I'm just going to go straight right onto canva.com because majority of you requested a Christmas series and I had that in mind already, so I started that from my yesterday's video or from the video before this one. So just watch as much as you want and let's keep going. So I'm just going to open canva.com. So the standard, you all know if you've been following me, is 4500. Okay, it's 4500 by 5400. all right, that's the standard. Gonna open on a new tab. We're just gonna create something new, something unique. This one is not going to take your time. It's super easy to do this. If you ask me, it's super easy to do this. So the first step would be for us to bring in elements. Okay, that'll be the first step, and that is a Santa cap, which already you can just Google or type in Santa here and it's going to give you this and many more. So you just click on that and you have that for yourself. So me already had this, so I'm just going to click on this. This is just the first step. You just put it to one side. Secondly, we'll go to text and use our text. You can type Christmas on this text, but it's going to give you a font like this, so many fonts like this. So this is the one I want to use for this design, so I'm just going to click on that. As you can see, it's quite small, so move my cursor to this edge, press on my Alt key button on my keyboard and my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outwards just like that. Okay, so now we have this, but you can see there's a text under which I don't want, so I'm going to ungroup by clicking on group, press and click out here and then click on this one and press your delete, or you delete that any which way you want to do it. The next step is to click on this, then you do Ctrl A, and for this one you have to ask Santa for a wish, a request. So for me, for this shirt, it's going to be Santa. All right, Santa, my gift. All right, my gifts. Okay, should be a vaccine. How many of you want this as a gift? I'm putting a vaccine in capital letter because this is the emphasis I'm trying to make. All right, this is the emphasis I'm trying to make for this design. Should be a vaccine. All right, this is just an emphasis I'm trying to make on this design. As you can see, it came out well. So far so good. So far so good. It came out well. It didn't take us a lot of time. All right, so this is in the middle where we want it to be. Now we'll go to this letter box. It's called text color. Click on it. I want to make this green because the Christmas color is obviously green and red. So I'm going to make this green, and then I'm going to take my cap and just put it to the side right about here. I can reduce this if I want to. You move your cursor to this edge, press on your alter. Sorry, you don't need to press your alter key button for this. Just move your cursor to this edge, press on your left mouse click button and drag your mouse in or outwards depending on how you want it. You might want it bigger, you might want it smaller, but for me I just want it smaller so that it just sits just like this on my design. So it says, Santa, my gift should be a vaccine. Yes, you know what is going on right about now, so this should be fine. This should work. This should not take you a lot of time to create. Yes, this is where I tell you how to get Canva Pro as a gift from me to you. If you want Canva Pro for yourself, make sure you check the first link in the description. Click that now. It's open on a new tab. Make sure you sign up, put in your details. It's not going to take your cash, your money is going to be intact. Trust me, your money is going to be intact. If you're serious about passive income and earning serious money from print on demand, then you need Canva Pro, because it's going to give you the advantage of having Pro Elements, Pro Text, and lastly, when you click on download, you have the option to download with your transparent background, which you need because you don't want all your design coming with one background. So now for me, I already have that, so I'll just click on download. It's going to prepare my download for me. Okay, it's going to prepare my download for me and it's going to download it. You see that for yourself. As you can see, it's downloaded. So all I have to do is to show you the folder now. This should be it. Okay, so if you click on it, you can see how easy it is. It didn't take us a lot of time. If you check, you can see it did not take us a lot of time, just about 6 minutes. So if you enjoyed this design, make sure you like this video, share this video with your loved ones. Yes, I'm going to be making a Max Christmas Santa design on my next video, so make sure you watch that. Make sure you don't miss that video. To my right, you see a playlist. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I will see you on the next one. One love. I love you guys.